Hi Fresno Unified students. We are taking a different approach to distance learning the next few weeks. You will not need a method book for these lessons. You will be receiving video instruction, the video instruction you're watching right now on YouTube, and a PDF of each exercise that I'm going to be going over. In these videos, I will walk you through the steps to learn each exercise so you can be successful. We will cover key signature, time signature, rhythms, and note names. Then you will hear what it sounds like on a real instrument and get an opportunity to practice. If you don't have an instrument, that's okay. You can clap and count rhythms, and you can review note names and airplay your instruments. Hi, beginning alto saxophones. We're going to start with exercise 1 this week. This is a treble clef. Everybody say treble clef. One more time, say treble clef. Good. Treble clef is the clef that your instrument, the alto saxophone, is in. Now let's go to here. This is your key signature. Everybody say key signature. Now your key signature has 1 sharp in it. How many sharps are in your key signature? 1. Good. Whenever you have 1 sharp, that means all Fs are sharp. So what does 1 sharp mean? All Fs are sharp. One more time. What does 1 sharp mean? All Fs are sharp. Good. So no matter where the F is on the staff, if it's here, or if it's up here, or if it's way up here, all Fs are always going to be sharp. Now we have the time signature. Everybody say time signature. There are 2 numbers. The top 4 tells us there are 4 beats in a measure. What does the top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in a measure. One more time. What does the top 4 tell us? Good. There are 4 beats in a measure. Now the bottom 4 tells us the quarter note gets 1 beat. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. One more time. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. And we are in 4/4 time, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody say 4/4 time. That's what these numbers tell us. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to clap and count the rhythms. After I tell you what each of the notes are, I'm going to clap and count the rhythms. You're going to practice. Then you're going to do it with me. And then you're going to try it on your own. So first we have a quarter note. Then another quarter note. Then we have a half note. Then we have 4 quarter notes. Then 2 half notes and a whole note. Quick reminder, quarter notes are 1 beat. How many beats are quarter notes? 1 beat. Half notes are 2 beats. How many beats are half notes? 2 beats. And whole notes are 4 beats. How many beats are whole notes? 4 beats. So, I'm going to start here. I'm going to end here. I'm going to go ahead and clap and count the rhythm. Go ahead and listen to me right now. Don't do anything except listen. Then I'm going to give you a chance to practice. Then you're going to clap and count with me. And then you're going to do it on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and practice. All right, let's try it together now. When I count to 4, come in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and try it on your own. Now let's go over the note names. This is a quarter note G, a quarter note B, a half note G. Then we have a quarter note F sharp, a quarter note G, a quarter note B, a quarter note C, a half note B, a half note A, and a whole note G. Now I'm going to say it in rhythm. So we're going to do like we did last time. I'm going to do it, you're going to listen, then we're going to do it together, then you're going to do it on your own. G, B, G, F sharp, G, B, C, B, A, G. And if you need to review how to identify notes, go to lesson 1 on note names and the staff, and that will show you how to identify the notes. Go ahead and practice that on your own now. All right, when I count to 4, we're going to try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, B, G. F sharp, G, B, C, B, A, G. Now try it on your own. All right, now let's move on to exercise 2. So once again, here's our treble clef, our key signature. There's 1 sharp. That means what? All Fs are sharp. What does it mean? Good, all Fs are sharp. Here's the time signature. The top 4 tells us there are 4 beats in the measure. What does the top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in the measure. The bottom 4 tells us that the quarter note gets 1 beat. What does the bottom number tell us? The quarter note gets what? 1 beat. One more time. What does the bottom 4 tell us? Good. The quarter note gets 1 beat. Now let's go over the rhythms. So we have a half note here, 2 quarter notes. Then we have 4 quarter notes, 2 more quarter notes, a half note, and then 2 half notes. I'm going to go ahead and clap and count the rhythm. Same process as last time. You listen to me, we do it together, and then you try it on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now try it on your own. All right, now let's go over the note names. Over here we have a half note D, a quarter note C, a quarter note B, a quarter note B, a quarter note A, a quarter note G, a quarter note B, another quarter note B, a quarter note C, a half note D, a half note B, and a half note G. Now I'm going to say the notes in rhythm. D, C, B, B, A, G, B, B, C, D, B, G. Go ahead and practice that on your own. All right, now let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, C, B, B, A, G, B, B, C, D, B, G. All right, now go ahead and try it on your own. Now let's move on to exercise 3. Now we have our treble clef and we have our key signature. All whats are sharp? Fs, good. All Fs are sharp. Everybody say all Fs are sharp. Now let's move on to the time signature. What does the top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in a measure. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. All right. So on the rhythm, we have a half note, another half note, another half note, then 2 quarter notes, 2 more quarter notes, a half note, and a whole note. I'm going to go ahead and clap that for you now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go ahead and try it on your own. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now you're going to get a chance to hear what this sounds like on your instrument so you can practice.
Today I'll be playing your alto sax exercises for you. This is exercise 1. This is exercise 2. This is exercise 3.